ভয়েস অ্যাক্টিভ আৰু পেসিভ I write a letter a letter object হয় আগত আহিব পেসিভত a letter আগত আহি যাব a letter I write a letter simple present tense a letter third person singular সেই কাৰণে is use হ'ব writer past participle written by I থাকিলে me হয় Mina helps Sima is helped by Mina Sima third person singular সেই কাৰণে is use হ'ব help or past participle helped by Mina Children like sweets আগত আহি যাব are liked like or past participle liked by children She expects good news আগত আহিব এটো simple present tense news third person singular is use হ'ব expected by she থাকিলে her হয় The villagers killed the tiger The villagers আগত আহি যাব was killed by the villagers The villagers killed the tiger এটো simple past tense সেই কাৰণে was use হৈছে kill or past participle killed হয় by the villagers I am writing a letter আগত আনিব লাগিব a letter present continuous tense সেই কাৰণে is being used হ'ব written writer past participle written by me People speak Assamese in Assam Assamese আগত আহি যাব Assamese is spoken in Assam by people নিলিখিলো হ'ব Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal আগত আহি যাব built simple past tense Taj Mahal was built or past participle built হয় built by Shah Jahan I have posted the letter এটো present perfect tense the letter singular হয় সেই কাৰণে has use হ'ব the letter has been posted by me